CBSE Class 9 Chapter 1 Orienting Yourself, the Use of Coordinates, End of Chapter Exercises. Question 13. The midpoint of the sides of triangle ABC are the points D, E and F. Given that the coordinates of D, E and F are 5, 1, 6, 5 and 0, 3 respectively. Find the coordinates of A, B and C. So let's draw the triangle. So here is the triangle. I already marked the midpoints and the vertices. So we have to find the vertices. So let us assume the vertices as A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. So I am marking it x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So midpoints are D, E and F, and we know the formula for midpoint. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So let's take the line AB. AB, x1, y1, x2, y2, and midpoint here is D, which is 5, 1. So let's implement the formula. D 5, 1 is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So we will get x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to 5. Cross multiplying, x1 plus x2 is equal to 10. Equation 1. Now y1 plus y2 by 2 is equal to 1. y1 plus y2 is equal to 2. Equation 2. Now we will take AC. x1, y1, x3, y3. The reason for taking AC is here the midpoint contains 0, 0, 3. That's why. So 0, 3 is equal to x1 plus x3 by 2, y1 plus y3 by 2. x1 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 0. So x1 plus x3 is equal to 0. x1 is equal to minus x3. Like that, y1 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 3. y1 plus y3 is equal to 6. So equation 3 and equation 4. So now I am taking the line BC. x2, y2, x3, y3. Midpoint is E, that is 6, 5. So x2 plus x3 by 2 is equal to 6. y2 plus y3 by 2 is equal to 5. Again cross multiply. X2 plus x3 is equal to 12. Equation 5. Y2 plus y3 is equal to 10. Equation 6. So let's write all the equations. So these are the equations which we derived from this. So here we can find x1 is equal to minus x3. So we can substitute it here in third equation. Substituting 3 in 5. So we will get x2 plus minus x1 is equal to 12. So equation 7. Now x1 plus x2 is equal to 12. Now adding 7 and 1 because it is in terms of x1 and x2. My x1 plus x2 is equal to 10 minus x1 plus x2 is equal to 12. We can cancel this. 2x2 is equal to 22. x2 is equal to 11. So we got x2. Now substituting x1 plus 11 is equal to 10. So x1 is equal to 10 minus 11, that is equal to minus 1. If x1 is minus 1, then x3 will be minus x1, right? So minus of minus 1, that is 1. So we got the values for x1, that is, so the values of x1, x2 and x2 and x3 are written. Now let's take equation 1. y1 plus y2 is equal to 2. y1 is equal to 2 minus y2. Equation A. Substituting 8 in equation 2. So 2 minus y2 plus y3 is equal to 6. Minus y2 plus y3 is equal to 6 minus 2. Minus y2 plus y3 is equal to 4. Equation 9. Now adding 6 and 9. So y2 plus y3 is equal to 10. Minus y2 plus y3 is equal to 4. Now let's eliminate this. y3 plus y3, 2y3. 10 plus 4, 14. y3 is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7. So we got the answer for y3. So let's substitute. y2 plus 7 is equal to 10. y2 is equal to 10 minus 7, that is 3. So we got the value for y2 also. Now y3. So we got the value of y3. Now we have to go for y2. y1 is equal to 2 minus y2. So y1 is equal to 2 minus 3. That is equal to minus 1. So these are the values we got. Now let's substitute. A minus 1 comma minus 1, B 11 comma 3, and C 1 comma 7. So we got the vertices.